and thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply edible gold luster dust to a cake without the use of vodka. What you'll need is a brush, your cake, your edible luster dust and a cake steamer. I have the PME one. The links to the products I'm using can be found in the description below. Right, so let's get started. Just need to switch the steamer on. I would usually do this method in a box because it can be very messy, but this is so you can see it easily. Now the steamer's ready. What you do is you get your steamer and just steam your cake. Just enough so it's steamed. Once you've steamed it, you leave it. You can do this in sections or steam the whole cake. And then once it's steamed, you leave it for a minute or two, just so it becomes tacky to touch. Because if you put the luster dust on right now, it will just clunk up together. So you just have to give it a touch, and as it's now tacky, it's not wet. Grab your dust, just put the top of your brush in it, tap off the excess and just brush the luster dust onto the cake. It's always best to do little amounts and then you can build up, because once it's on there you can't actually take it off. Such a transformation on the cake. They come in various colours. Just make sure you use an edible luster dust. And it's easier when you just go in one stroke action rather than going backwards and forwards. Go around the cake, just check if there's any places that haven't been covered enough. This cake will be covered in edible gold flakes. You can also do it in circular motions. So both works fine, the circular motions or the strokes. Got a gold turntable as well now. Lovely. That is the cake all done. Like I said, this can be done in any colour. It's a way that you don't have to use alcohol with your luster dust. It's covered very well. I hope you have enjoyed watching Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Do join us next time for another exciting tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and share the video. And let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see me do in the comments below. Welcome back and thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to be making piping gel homemade in the UK.